So I wanted to do a really quick review. It's chairs, bro. I don't have to get totally autistic about chairs, but it's very important if you got people like on sentry duty, or if you're just chilling with friends on your porch, or if you're around the bonfire, whatever, if you're organizing, if you're involved in your community. I think it's very important to have these folding chairs, right? And so we got the Realtree chair versus the Mossy Oak chair. And if you want the quickest version of the review, the Mossy Oak chair is better than the Realtree chair, 100%. Now the Mossy Oak chair is also way more expensive than the Realtree chair. The Mossy Oak chair is going to run you about anywhere from like $55, $60. You can get them cheaper on Amazon. Sometimes they'll be on sale. The Realtree chair is going to run you about like $20 or $30, right? And so again, this is a quality versus quantity argument. If you got to get multiple chairs, you might want to go for the Realtree. They're both good. It's just the Mossy Oak chair is great. If you look at the stitching on the back of the Mossy Oak chair, there's like this reinforced thing. I don't even know what to call it. It's like this reinforced padding thing that keeps it from blowing out on the back. They actually had Amazon reviewers were complaining about the older versions of these chairs because they would blow out on the back after a little while. And so they actually fixed this and improved it. And so the attention to detail on the Mossy Oak chair is just better. It's better materials. You can just tell it's thicker quality canvas. It's got like a storage compartment pouch. The area where you would put a cup is bigger, and it's just better material. It's just overall, it's a better folding chair. Right? Now, I do actually have more folding chairs than just these two, but these are the main two that I've really kind of played around with, and I just wanted to compare them. They're both good. It's just one's clearly better. One's clearly better. The Mossy Oak clearly beats the Realtree in this head-to-head match. And yeah, it may seem a little bit weird that I'm making a video about chairs, but this is pretty important. It's pretty important that you have folding chairs, and I'd recommend you get some good ones. Get some ones that are multi-purpose. You could conceivably use these for hunting, you know, sitting in the woods waiting for some deer to come along. If you're putting people on sentry duty or just day-to-day tasks, like I know a lot of prepper channels talk about shit hit the fan, but I really look at life as just a struggle for survival. Grid down or grid up, doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Like America, our quality of life, standard of living is going down. Everything's going to shit. I don't know if Trump's really going to do anything but buy us some time. I think he could buy us some time. And so yeah, you need things like this that are going to last a very, very long time. Because we don't know what the future may bring. We just don't know. And you might need to post somebody on sentry duty for real. Like you really might have to have somebody on your porch posting sentry duty. That's not an inconceivable thing for me. At least maybe I'm paranoid, but it's not inconceivable that you might have to post somebody on your front porch, put them on sentry duty, and you're going to want them to have a comfortable chair. You know, that's the thing. In terms of comfort, the Mossy Oak is definitely bigger, more comfortable, just a better chair. Spend your money wisely. These are both good options, but one is clearly the better option. So I just wanted to make this video really quick. This isn't a long, drawn-out video because it doesn't need to be. Jordan Jareb, signing off.